Hello everybody, welcome back to Shital's kitchen. Today we're going to make a pizza flavor quiche. This is a dish is very quick for busy mom, and sometime in a weekend kids like to eat pizza or pasta and something savory. So this one is one pot meal as you can use for kids and make them happy. So let's get started. So first we're going to slice this bread, and this is my homemade bread. And in this recipe you can use pita bread, white bread or wholemeal. Now we're going to make egg mixture. Now we're going to add all other ingredients. So it's onion. And in this dish, look, you can add whatever flavor you like, any flavors or vegetables and pizza sauce, which is main ingredient. And some olives. And some milk. Now I'm going to mix everything properly. Now I'm going to add mozzarella cheese, obviously because it's a pizza flavor. And I'm going to season with salt and pepper. It's according to your taste. And some salt. Going to mix everything again one more time because we add some cheese, so make sure, and then soon we're going to bake. Okay, now my oven proof dish is already ready, and I already grease with butter, but you can grease with oil or butter. And then I'm going to make a one layer of bread, and now I'm going to pour egg mixture on the top of it. And on the top of it, I'm going to sprinkle some more mozzarella. So make sure you cover all breads with egg mixture so it cook properly. I'm going to sprinkle with some mozzarella, and then we're going to bake for 190 in a faint force. At 190 we're going to bake this quiche. Quiche is ready. And I can see that the knife is nice and clear, so that means it's ready, and it's nice and golden brown on the top of it. That is also important as well. It's freezing cold outside, so I decided to come inside. So this pizza flavor quiche is ready, and I baked at 190 for half an hour. But look, if knife comes out nice and clear and nice golden brown on the top, that means quiche is ready. So please, if you like this dish and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and family, specifically busy mom. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.